The news came in a late-night tweet from the White House. President Donald Trump wrote, "Tonight, the First Lady and I tested positive for COVID-19. We will begin our quarantine and recovery process immediately. We will get through this together." It is not known how, despite elaborate precautions and constant testing of White House officials, the White House press corps, and others in contact with Trump, the president contracted the virus. But earlier, one of Trump's top aides, Hicks, was confirmed to have tested positive. Hicks accompanied the president to the debate in Cleveland, Ohio on Tuesday. Trump phoned into a Fox television program earlier on Thursday and talked about Hicks having been exposed.
It's a tough kind of a situation. It's a terrible thing. So I just went for a test, and we'll see what happens. I mean, who knows?
The White House physician, Sean Conley, said Trump and the First Lady are both well at this time, and that the White House medical team will maintain a vigilant watch. Melania Trump later tweeted, "We are feeling good." Trump has several risk factors that put him in danger of complications from COVID-19. He is in his mid-70s and overweight.
We have to wait for the next few days. For some people get really sick within hours, but, some people don't get sick until a week after. And so we have to really be carefully observing the situation.
Trump has declined to wear a mask on many occasions, including at rallies, where many of his supporters also refuse to wear a mask. His entourage, including family members, went maskless at the Tuesday debate. Trump even ridiculed Democratic candidate Joe Biden for wearing a mask, as recommended by virtually all public health experts.
I don't wear masks like him. Every time you see him, he's got a mask. He could be speaking 200 feet away from it. He shows up with the biggest mask I've ever seen.
If Trump were to become seriously ill and unable to carry out his duties, the Constitution provides for Vice President Mike Pence to take over temporarily. Pence said he is praying for Trump's recovery.
There can be no spin. There can be no cover-ups. There has to be clear understanding of what is going on with this person, this president of the United States, because otherwise, if he is not capacitated to take care of the business, he will have to be, by the 25th Amendment, transition has to occur.
But a glaring question now is how the news will affect Trump's re-election campaign. Already trailing nationally and in certain important swing states, it would seem that Trump can ill afford to stay out of commission for a quarantine period of 2 weeks. Trump joins other world leaders, including Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro and the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who have contracted the virus. Worldwide, the death toll from COVID-19 has exceeded 1 million. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera.